Hey everyone, this is Jack here at PatentPal. So last week I showed some of the strategic uses of our tool to build portfolios. This week I'd like to dive into some of the details on how our software understands language. I'm going to start with a very simple claim and progressively build on top of that. With this claim, there's a one element, so it generates a block diagram for any system claims. And it generates these three main sections in the specification. In the detailed description, it will provide that non-limiting prose. For example, figure 1 is a block diagram that shows a computer, the single element in the claim, labeled 100 according to some embodiments of the present disclosure. And so this is the kind of non-limiting prose language that is needed in the specification to provide support for all of the claim elements. We can then build on top of this, so we can say, for example, a computer comprising a processor and a memory device, and then we could say further that wherein the device includes a module. So this is a good example because it shows how the app may be robust to different kinds of inputs, even if the input is not perfect, if it's not a literal match. So for example, when it comes to identifying the concepts, even though device is referred to as simply the device, it's able to contextually understand that it's describing the same concept as the memory device. It does the same thing for extracting relationships as well. Specifically, it's able to understand that, even though there's different ways of describing parent-child relationships, you can use different phrases and it's still able to understand that the memory device is the concept that includes the module. To demonstrate this further, we can say a first memory device and a second memory device. And when you have multiple, it's able to contextually figure out that this refers to the most recent one. But if you were to put in a literal global match, it will be able to identify that as well. Another example I wanted to show is with sublists. So if you were to say that a second memory device further comprising say a first module and a second module, is able to identify those and put those in under second memory device as well. So that's a good way to show how the software iteratively understands what the claim is describing and also helps you write your claims so that you can use the tool as a way of spotting any potential ambiguities in the claim. It also demonstrates how the app is fairly robust to imperfect inputs. So here, obviously, I haven't included any semicolons, and of course, we recommend that you do include those when crafting a claim. We also recommend that you number your claims, otherwise the app would assume that all of the language just belongs to one single claim. And when you're describing contextual sublists like this, we also recommend that you add in the proper indentation with the tabs. So hopefully that is helpful for you to get comfortable with the app. If you have any questions, definitely reach out, or if you have any feedback, we'd very much appreciate it as well. Thanks.